So we begin by spraying the ServiceMaster on the cloth. This is to ensure it does not come back in our face. And then we wipe all the dispensers, ensuring to get everywhere that hands may touch, as well as removing any dust particles from the tops. We then clean the sink, making sure to pay great attention to the faucets and also wiping the pipework underneath the sink as well. We then move on to clean the disabled rails, making sure we get both sides. Now, before moving on to the toilet, it's important to do the tiling underneath the hand towel dispensers. These get a lot of splashbacks. You're now required to change your cloth, ready for the toilet clean. Now, to clean the toilet, we first put toilet cleanser down the toilet, making sure that the nozzle is pointing downward so it cannot squirt in our face. We then safely use our toilet pom-pom to spread this around, ensuring to get right down into the pipe underneath. Now we'll leave that to sit for a little while, and now we use ServiceMaster to clean the whole area of the toilet, making sure to get underneath and each section of the toilet seat. We also clean the top of the sanitary bin. And then refolding your cloth, you clean the cistern unit on the top. And finally, we flush the toilet to get rid of the toilet cleanser.